Hi everybody, welcome back on Joyous Shapes, or welcome if you are new. My name is Sarah and today I decided to make this video to give you some tips and tricks to make friends in Bali, especially if you are an introvert like me and sometimes can be kind of weird to start a conversation with people. So let's start. The first tips that I have for you is joining Facebook groups and Instagram. So personally, I use Instagram to connect with people that are already living in Bali, so I can have some tips and tricks and maybe already plan to meet them, and also to connect with people that are not in Bali yet but maybe they are planning to come, and so I can already know that I can grab a coconut in the beach with someone. In the other side, Facebook powers our groups. My favorite groups on Facebook is Girls in Bali, which is a Facebook group for girls in Bali, but also for girls that are coming to Bali. And I saw daily posts about people asking about creating meetup or meet new friends. So go for it. It's gonna be your hotspot for when you're coming here, or also when you're planning to come. So you're not here yet, but you're already looking for friends. The second tips that I have for you is about joining coworking spaces or cafe. These are a great way to start to meet new people with the same interests, and start to create a network around you. Plus the fact that this food is amazing. Like honestly, Bali is incredible for food. It has everything, so if you're a foodies, this is your hotspot. One of my favorite cafes to connect with people is Cafe Coach in Canggu, because on every table they have a small box with powerful questions that you can ask yourself, but you can ask as well to your neighbors next to your table, and like this starts to have a really deep conversation and make new friends. The third tip that I have for you is going for a free movie night. If you like movie, this is a really good way to make new friends with your same interests. In Canggu there are free movie nights. One is on Tuesday at Alternative Beach, which is just next to my home, and another one is on Wednesday at Secret Spot, and both of them have complimentary popcorn. The fourth tip is about living in a guest house or hostel. This is definitely the best way for you to meet new people when you're arriving in Canggu, because basically you are gonna go to live inside a residency where there are other people that live there for actually meeting new people. In hostel, usually you have to share your bedroom with other people, but some hostels also have the opportunity to rent a private room. Most of the time we share a bathroom, and hostels are made to make new friends. In the other side, since I think that Bali/Canggu has almost the same prices for both hostel or guest house, I really recommend you to go into a guest house. That's where I'm living myself right now, and I love it because basically a guest house is like a house with many rooms with your own private toilet, and you have many people living there with you, and often you just share the kitchen and the common area like the garden and the pool. If you're willing to leave some privacy aside, I will definitely suggest you to go into a hostel, and if you're still caring for your own privacy, or you have maybe expensive gears, or you have some work to do, I will suggest you to go for a guest houses. In both of ways, you're gonna meet so many people from all around the world and connect with so many new friends. The fifth tip is about joining Tinder or Bumble. I know those are dating apps, but I honestly look to find people with my same interests and hanging out with them as well. And as long as you have like a clear description, there shouldn't be misunderstanding, and in case, just make sure to meet the other person in a busy environment like a restaurant or a bar. And if you're still looking for dating someone, well, that's the way to go. The sixth advice is joining some workshops, some events like concert or courses as well. Bali is the home for different workshops or courses or whatever. You can have Bahasa classes, you can have yoga, aesthetic dance, cooking classes, horse riding, anything you can think is here. So if you have a passion that you are growing back home, you can definitely bring it here in Bali, because I'm 100% sure you will find it a place, and you can also network with people that like to do your same hobby or sports. Talking about sport, my 7 tips is about joining a gym or taking some surf classes. Surf, which is one of the reasons why many people come here to Bali, and gym are a great way to connect with new people. So if you're looking for one of these things or are just thinking about starting, I will definitely suggest you to subscribe to some gym here around or take some surf lessons. Actually, my goal for 2022 is to start to learn how to surf, so maybe I'll see you on the waves. God, that's so cringy. My 7 tips is about joining LCA. If you're looking to become a full-time content creator, and that's maybe the reason why you're thinking to move to Bali, LCA is a great place to start because it not only offers you an amazing field course about how to become a content creator, but the community is huge. And actually, all the people that I've met so far, or most of them, comes from LCA. If you follow me on Instagram, you see that I often hang out with Lila, with Z, with Emily, or with Befalia, and so on. And these are all people that I met on LCA. The best thing is that we all kind of have the same dream, the same passion, so it's very cool to hang out and create content together. This is one of the reasons why I came to Bali, which is basically to surround myself with like-minded people that like to do what I also like to do. So we can really support each other in our own growth. I will leave anyway the link down in the description. The 9th tip, which is more a reminder, is that here in Bali we're almost all on the same boat. A huge part of people come to Bali to recreate themselves, to get to know like-minded people, and I haven't found anyone really unfriendly so far or like unwilling to connect. Put yourself out there, out of your comfort zone, and start to connect with new people. You will be surprised about the results. It's happened also to me that I had maybe to go out and with people that I didn't know, and it was weird at first, but basically when you arrive here, also the energy is different and it makes you be more willing to connect with others if this is also a problem of yours. And last but not least is text me. I love to connect with new people, and if you are in Bali or you're planning to come to Bali, don't hesitate to text me on Instagram, on Facebook, whatever, DM me, but I really would love to get to know you and maybe grab a coconut together on the beach. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more Bali life and turn on the notification bell to don't miss any video. And see you next Sunday!